If you're an entrepreneur using AI to write your offers and your sales copy, this is the video that could save your business that nobody's talking about. AI is powerful. It writes your copy, crafts your messaging, builds your offers. I use it and I learned a lot from Wes McDowell. He says that AI can transform your business by doing the heavy lifting of content creation. But here's the truth that nobody else is talking about. If your AI says something wrong, misleading, or infringing, you're legally responsible, not ChatGPT. This isn't a tech problem, it's a legal landmine. I'm Karam, I'm the battle-tested lawyer, I'm a business mentor for entrepreneurs, and I'm a former 20-year courtroom attorney. I've advised entrepreneurs in over $1 billion worth of deals, and I've seen businesses and people go down in court for fraud and all sorts of things. Now, AI-generated content that's not properly reviewed or legally vetted is going to be a huge problem. I'm here to show you how that same AI can trigger lawsuits if you don't bulletproof it properly and take the right steps to protect yourself. So here's what you're gonna learn. Number one, what the law says about using AI in marketing and in offers and why you're legally responsible for every word that it writes. Number two, the 3 biggest legal mistakes that entrepreneurs make with AI-generated content that creates massive liability. And number 3, I'm gonna show you my AI legal blueprint on how you can use AI safely to scale correctly so your automation doesn't become your business downfall. So, under US law, you are personally and legally responsible for your AI's output, treated exactly as if you wrote every word yourself. This means that if your AI generates misleading claims, anything fraudulent, that becomes false advertising with your name on it. If it makes database promises you can't substantiate, those become fraud claims that you made. If your AI copies content from competitors or uses copyrighted material without attribution, you're legally liable for intellectual property theft. Even if you had no idea the AI was plagiarizing, the legal principle is clear. AI isn't a shield that protects you from liability. You are the author of everything your AI produces, your avatar, and the courts will hold you fully accountable for any legal violations in that content. So understand, this is different from hiring a human writer because with AI, there's no other legal entity to share responsibility or blame. The AI company isn't liable for how you use the tool. You are. And there are 3 big mistakes that entrepreneurs are making right now. Number 1, they're using unverified AI-generated claims. Your AI writes that my system can guarantee you 5 to 15% conversion increase within 30 days. Well, you can't blame them. This is false advertising because you're the one making that specific performance guarantee without substantiation through the AI robot. And under FTC guidelines, any claim about results must be backed by competent and reliable evidence. It doesn't even matter if it's true. Now, the problem is AI doesn't know what you can actually prove and what you can't prove. It generates compelling claims based on patterns in training data and what you tell them, not your actual client results or scientific studies. So be careful. The way to fix this is only state what you can validate and qualify. Instead, say like some clients see 5 to 15% conversion increase using the system. Individual results vary based on implementation and market factors, all that good stuff. Always verify AI claims against your actual data before publishing. Now, mistake number 2 is using AI plagiarized or copyrighted content. Your AI generates sales copy that closely mirrors a competitor's copy or unknowingly reproduces copyrighted material from its training data. That's a big problem. Now, this creates copyright infringement liability, which could bring grave legal consequences. And I'm talking expensive lawsuits. I've been there. So here's how you fix this. Always run AI-generated content through plagiarism detection tools like Copyscape before publishing. If you find matches, reprompt the AI until the content is completely original. Document this verification process for legal protection. Mistake number 3 is having a lack of human oversight. Use AI to auto-generate disclaimers, terms of service, contracts, or marketing compliance language without proper human review by someone who's actually qualified and understands legal requirements. This happens all the time when you're downloading this contract, and this creates ethical misrepresentation and consumer deception because AI-generated legal language often contains errors, omissions, or inappropriate disclaimers that don't actually protect your business. AI doesn't understand the nuances of consumer protection law, FTC guidelines, or industry-specific regulations. It generates text that looks legal, but may not provide the actual protection specific for your company. So always implement a human legal review step. Check the accuracy, the disclaimers, and compliance requirements before publishing anything that's AI-generated content. Have qualified legal counsel review the AI-generated terms, the disclaimers in compliance language, or don't rely on it at all. So now you know the mistakes. Here's my battle-tested checklist to make sure that your AI-generated content is legally bulletproof. Number one, validate all the AI-generated claims with real data and documented evidence before publishing. Number two, run every piece of AI content through plagiarism and fact-checking tools. Number three, add the proper disclaimers for results may vary and disclose AI-assisted content creation when required, right? Keep legal templates audited by qualified counsel and regularly updated. Create standard operating procedures, AI generation, then go to human editing, then go to legal review, then go to publication. That's how you do it. Make sure you store logs of AI prompts, outputs, and edits for legal accountability and documentation. Make sure you implement regular compliance audits of all AI-generated marketing materials. Train your team on AI content liability and the proper review process. So remember, in the eyes of the law, you're the author of everything your AI creates. Courts will hold you personally accountable for every legal violation, regardless of whether you directly wrote the problematic content. So the bottom line is you have to build your AI workflows like every output will be examined by lawyers, regulators, and judges, because someday that might be the case. So AI can supercharge your offers and scale your content creation like never before. But left unchecked, it becomes a liability engine that generates legal problems faster than you can solve them. Wes McDowell builds your AI-powered offers. He's great. I protect them with legal structure that actually works. So now that you understand the issues when it comes to AI offers, let's take a look at some of the social proof issues that you entrepreneurs make that result in liability. Click on the link below. It's how to legally bulletproof your social proof, and I'll see you there.